What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Mike here again, and today we're going to be going over how to actually turn your .pages files from your Mac or iOS devices into a usable file for Windows, since those aren't cross-compatible. Now, real quick, if you notice here, all of your assignments are restricted file types, meaning if it is not one of these file types, you won't be allowed to submit it. The system or Canvas is going to reject the submission. So we're going to show you how to take these .pages, which is your Word document for Mac users, and turn it into primarily a DOCX, a rich text format, or a PDF. So I'll show you how to do this from the keyboard or the computer, and then also from your phone as well. So let's get right into it. First off, from your MacBook, real simple, go to Applications and select Pages. Pretty self-explanatory. From there, you are going to take whatever your file is that you're looking to use, click on File, Export to, and then when you get to the Export button, you're just going to select if you want a PDF, a Word, or a rich text format file. Do not use plain text, and do not use EPUB, and do not use Pages 09. These are your three choices here that you should use to be able to submit this on Canvas. After you pick which one you're going to use, you'll just make sure you have the right file extension. Don't worry about the advanced options, you're not going to need that, and click Next. Then you'll get to the place where you're going to save it. On the Save As tab, all you will do is write your file name or whatever the name is you want to use, and then under the Where, that is going to be the actual folder you're going to send it to. It should default to Documents. If it doesn't, make sure that you select a place you can access, because that's where your file is going to go. And then from there, you'll be able to upload your file to Canvas. So once you have clicked, or once you've selected the Export button here, it will have saved your file as either a DOCX, which is a Word file, PDF, or whatever else you've chosen to save it as. And then you would just use those, either one of these formats, to upload to Canvas with your assignment. So that is the quick run through of how to do that on a computer. Now, when we get to your phone here, this is a little bit different. So if you're using an iPhone, first thing you're going to do is go to the Pages app in your phone. I happen to put mine in my Utilities section, so that's where that is. From there, you are going to select the location of your document or file. These will typically be in either your iCloud drive or on your iPhone. From there, all you're going to do is go to the Pages icon, because that's where the document is going to be, or the ones that we're concerned about here. And then you are going to go to whatever the document is, which will be the Pages document, and then we will modify that here. Once you get that document out, so this here is a view of what you would see once you selected your document. Now you're going to click on the ellipsis here in the top right corner. From there, you will see this drop down, and you want to click on the Export button. And again, you'll get a choice of what file format you want to use. It'll either be PDF, Word, or RTF. So only use those three: RTF, Word, or PDF. From there, whichever file extension you click, then you will see this next one here. This will auto-populate, this pop-up here. What you want to do is you want to click Save to Files. After that, you will go to this next screen, or this next screen will pop up. And you will either see here, you want to save it to your iCloud drive or on your iPhone. I would strongly encourage you to save this to your iCloud drive, because that then is protected in case your phone gets damaged or anything like that. I happen to have the Word app on my iPhone, so I save stuff there occasionally, but your easiest route is to go to the iCloud Drive. Then finally, when you click on that, then you'll be able to go and retrieve your file. So if you go back to your main screen and you just select, if you open Pages, and then it will take you back to the Pages section, and now you will see that you have the original Pages document, but you also now have the converted document here. So for this one, I just converted this to a DOCX, which is a Word file. And again, remember, you can also use RTF, rich text formatting, or PDF files. So that is your quick rundown of how to avoid the Pages issue if you're a Mac user. If you're a Windows user, it doesn't apply to you because you don't have to deal with that. But again, if you have Pages, you cannot use those as a submission to Canvas. Canvas will not allow submissions with a .pages file extension. So that is what you have to do to get your file into the appropriate formatting so that you can then submit it on Canvas. So until next time, I will see you all later.